Yes, good day, my fans out there. I remain Dr. D.I. June, your lecturer on chemistry on social media. In our past lecture, we defined Graham's law of diffusion. And we said that the law states that at constant temperature and pressure, the rate of diffusion of a gas is inversely proportional to the square root of its density. We saw the mathematical analysis of that law and how we derived some of the equations. But right away, we want to discuss about the calculations based on Graham's law of diffusion. Look at question 1 here. 80 cm cube of chlorine gas diffuses through a porous pot in 60 seconds, while it takes 90 seconds for the same volume of an unknown gas to diffuse through the same pot. Calculate the relative molecular mass of the unknown gas. Now, the examiner gives the molecular mass of one atom of chlorine as 35.5, which is given already here. Even without giving it, you ought to know it as a chemist, as I said some time ago. Now let us see what's happening here. There are two gases here involved. One is known. The one we know is the chlorine gas. The one unknown, we don't know it. And these two gases are diffusing at different times. So let's see how we can go about it. So let us use X to represent the unknown gas. Now, R1, the rate of diffusion of the first gas is chlorine. So R2, let it be the unknown gas. That is gas 2, which we do not know. Now, going by Graham's law of diffusion, the rate of diffusion of the first gas to the unknown gas will be the square root of the molecular mass of the unknown gas, all of the molecular mass of the known gas, which is chlorine. Now, but we know that diffusion, rate of diffusion is what? Inversely proportional to the time taken. So, if that is the case, it means that here, RCl2 all over Rx, which is here, will be equal to Tx, that means the time of the unknown gas, all over the time of chlorine, which is the known one. Because here is the same with what you have here. So, and here is equal to what? The irreciprocal proportion of what? The time taken of both the unknown gas and that of chlorine. Now, it means that since here, look at this here, RCl2 all over Rs is equal to this place. It means that this place, which is equal here, it means here is also equal to this place. That's why you see that Tx all over TCl2 is equal to what? Mx all over what? MCl2, which is here. So now we want to work mathematically now. We want to remove the square root. Remove this square root here. It means that this side becomes now a square. Once you remove this square root, all of this side becomes a square. That's the meaning of it mathematically. So it means that if you remove this square root, now it becomes Tx over TCl2 all over squared equal to Mx all over MxCl2. Now at this place now, we want to cross multiply. But this is a whole entity, which is here now. Look at it now. See, Tx all over TCl2, which is here, square it all together, times, see now, it goes like this. What it means. So, this multiplying this, multiplying, and this is a numerator. So, times what? MCl2. Now, at this point, we want to substitute the values. Look at here. The first gas, chlorine, diffused what? 60 seconds in the same porous spot, while the unknown one takes what? 90 seconds to diffuse the same unknown pot to a porous spot. So, since it is square root of their density inversely proportional, it means that 90, which is the unknown gas, all over 60, which is chlorine, all square, see it here, time of the unknown gas, which is 90, time of the known one, which is chlorine, 60. That's why you have 90 over 60 here. Then the whole thing is squared because you have removed this square root. You see it here. Times what? The relative molecular mass of chlorine. That's what it means here. And why do you get that 71? See it here. Chlorine, one atom, is weighing 35.5 grams. And Cl2, there are two atoms. So 2 times 35.5 will give you 71. So when you have divided 90 by 60, you will have 1.5. If you like now, take away this zero goes. 2 goes here, 3 goes here, 2, 3 goes here, 3. See, you have 1.5. That's what it means. Now, that 1.5 is squared times 71. So, if you square 1.5 times 1.5 times this, you will have 159.8 grams. If you approximate it to 3 digits, you will have 160 grams. So now, the question says, calculate the relative molecular mass of the unknown gas. So it means that the relative molecular mass of the unknown gas is 160 grams. So, like it, comment, and please follow me. Subscribe to my YouTube. Thank you.